Every civilization has its own mysteries and tales whispered in hushed tones and enigmas that have perplexed humanity for centuries. From the ancient aliens to unsolved crimes, these mysteries have captured our imagination and fueled our curiosity. But now a new ally has emerged in the quest for answers: artificial intelligence, AI. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence Insanity, where we embark on mind-blowing journeys of unraveling the secrets of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we will be exploring how AI works. So if you've ever wondered how machines are able to think and learn, you've come to the right place. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. The goal of AI is to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, pattern recognition, understanding natural language, and decision-making. AI systems work by using various techniques and algorithms to process and analyze large amounts of data, detect patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. These systems rely on machine learning, a subset of AI where machines are trained using large data sets to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. There are different types of AI, including narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks or solve specific problems, and general or strong AI, which possesses the ability to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can do. The underlying technology behind AI includes neural networks, algorithms, natural language processing, and machine learning models. These technologies enable AI systems to process and analyze vast amounts of data, adapt to new information, and make informed decisions or predictions. AI applications can be found in various industries and fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and customer service. AI-powered systems can automate routine tasks, streamline processes, provide personalized recommendations, detect anomalies or fraud, and assist in decision-making, among many other functions. However, it is important to note that AI is still a developing field, and while significant progress has been made, there are limitations and challenges to overcome. Ensuring ethical and responsible use of AI, addressing biases in algorithms, and managing privacy and security concerns are some of the ongoing considerations in the field of AI. Now that you have a general understanding of how AI works, let's explore some popular applications of AI in today's world. AI is being used in healthcare to enhance diagnostics, predict disease outcomes, and discover new drugs. In transportation, AI is used to develop self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and improve navigation systems. AI is also revolutionizing the customer experience. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing personalized assistance in various industries. Additionally, AI is aiding in the analysis of big data, enabling businesses to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Remember, AI is an ever-evolving field, and there's so much more to explore. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below letting us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and remember, the truth is out there. With AI, we are getting closer to discovering it. Until next time, keep exploring. Keep questioning and keep believing in the power of technology to transform our understanding of the mysteries